Emergencies can happen anytime, anywhere. Knowing how to react can save a life. CPR and AED skills are important tools for everyone. These skills can help someone in cardiac arrest. Every second counts in these situations. Learning CPR and how to use an AED is not difficult. There are training courses available. These courses teach you the skills to make a difference. Being prepared can give someone a fighting chance. Knowing these skills can empower you. You can become a vital link in the chain of survival. Be the difference between life and death. CPR stands for Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation. It helps circulate blood and oxygen. This is crucial when the heart stops beating. AED stands for Automated External Defibrillator. This device can restart a heart that has stopped. CPR involves chest compressions and rescue breaths. These actions mimic the heart's pumping action. An AED analyzes the heart's rhythm. It delivers an electric shock if needed. Both CPR and AED are easy to learn. With proper training, anyone can use them effectively. First, check for responsiveness. Gently shake the person and ask, "Are you okay?" If there's no response, call for help immediately. Next, check for breathing. Look for chest movement. Then start chest compressions. Place your hands on the center of the chest. Push hard and fast at a rate of 100 to 120 compressions per minute. Continue compressions until help arrives. Remember to stay calm. Your quick actions can make a real difference. An AED is a simple device to use. It provides clear voice instructions. First, turn on the AED. Next, apply the pads to the person's chest as shown. The AED will analyze the heart rhythm. If a shock is advised, the AED will tell you. Make sure no one is touching the person. Then, press the shock button. Continue to follow the AED's instructions. Using an AED can greatly increase the chances of survival. It is an essential tool in cardiac arrest situations.